Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is the Pip Box. The Pip Box is a monthly beauty subscription box and it is always cruelty free, which we love. This is a subscription that I pay for. Where is something that I can undo this from? I can't remember how much it is. I know I paid £55 for 3 months. So when you do like a set payment like that, you're always saving a little bit of money, but I'll put on the screen exactly how much it is monthly if you want to do like a monthly rolling contract. But I did do the 3 months subscription. This is the second time I've let it renew just because I've absolutely loved the box. So yeah, let's get in. Oh, the International Women's Day box. It is International Women's Day today. Happy International Women's Day to all you fucking badass bitches out there. You're all amazing and I love you. I obviously love all the boys too, but it's International Women's Day, so get over it. Yeah, this is a box. I wasn't going to upload this video today, but I'm going to have to now, aren't I? Because it is the day of the box. Oh, something in there smells good. So it says, welcome to the March Pip Box. This month we've come together with our beauty brands to celebrate International Women's Day. It's a global day celebrating the social, economic and cultural and political achievements of women celebrated this year on March the 8th. The day also exclusively marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. This month we've worked exclusively with female founded and co-founded brands to celebrate. Enjoy from the Pip Box team. Fuck yeah! Ooh, okay, so the first thing I've got is a vitamin C fix cleanser by Nip Fab. Ooh, this looks amazing. I love Nip Fab. So, cleanse your way to fresh glowing skin with vitamin C fix cleanser. This daily gentle cleanser helps to protect skin from everyday environmental pollutants whilst revealing clearer, brighter skin, wash away dirt and impurities, massage onto damp skin, avoiding the art area, rinse with lukewarm water. £12.95. That's awesome. I want to give it a smell because vitamin C stuff sometimes smells a bit funky. Oh no, it smells good. It smells like oranges. Oh, I'm excited to use that. Oh, she's popped. I'm going to put that in my bathroom. Next up, I've got Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, Focusing and Soothing. Ooh. This says, £7, de-stress muscle gel, first cools inflamed muscles before imparting a deep comforting warmth. Black pepper and warming ginger are the perfect antidote to an intense workout, leaving muscles soothed and relaxed. That sounds really interesting. Give it a sniff. Oh, it smells good. I was gonna I don't want to get it on my nose because if it's cold and then hot, that's going to be like deep heat kind of stuff, and I don't want that in my nose holes. That looks lovely. Very interesting. I don't think I've ever had anything like that in a beauty box. So that's awesome. Next, I've got a Code Beautiful volumizing, lengthening and mascara. Ooh. Don't know if I've had this one before. This brand. Anyone used that before? £19.95. The volumizing, thickening, lengthening, separating, curling, no clumping mascara. I need one. Mine are just awful at the moment. A brush that grabs every lash for definition, thickness, volume and lift. The water resistant formula is buildable from day to night. That scares me a bit. I'm always scared of waterproof mascara. I can't get the fucking thing off. Just a plain black packaging. Let's have a look at this brush. It just looks like a normal brush. I will use that and I will let you guys know in a comment down below what it's like. Next, I've got a face mask, and it's a tea tree moisturising and clarifying by Vitamasks or Vitamasks. I never know how to say it. £3.99. Provide problematic skin with the soothing solution in the form of a tea tree sheet mask, which has been designed to minimise breakout, impact, restore stressed skin. Chamomile and aloe extracts in the mask aid with inflammation to leave skin feeling comforted and calmer. Then the last item is a Cree vitamin C oil. This is £7. Protect against environmental pollutants and premature aging. Help improve the appearance of fine lines and correct age spots with this lightweight and stable vitamin C plus something I can't pronounce, I'll put on the screen. In a base of melon and raspberry, this blend of thin, non-greasy antioxidant lipids absorbs quickly, leaving skin silky soft and non-greasy. That's interesting. Let's have a little bit on my hand and see what it's like. I'm usually scared of oils on my face. It doesn't really smell of like, it says like melon and grapefruit. It smells a bit medical, like not in a bad way, but that has gone in. That's just absorbed really nicely actually, and it's not greasy. Yeah, it smells a bit medical. It's not a bad smell, but it is a medical smell, I would say. That was the box. Let's have a look how much it's worth. 13, 20, 27, 47, like £51 is what the box is worth, so that's good. And then on the back of the box it talks to you about International Women's Day, so that's amazing. So that is the box. We got the oil, the muscle relaxer, the face thing, the face mask, the mascara, and then the cleanser. I'm probably most excited about the cleanser and the mascara, if I'm honest. But again, another really good box. Like they just do it every month. You've got like face, body, mascara, like makeup. It's just a really nice box. It's quickly becoming one of my favorites. So yeah, if you've had one, let me know what you think. I hope you all have a lovely day today. Kids have gone back to school. Fingers crossed it's not the wrong choice, but we shall see as things develop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.